Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view your Seashell collection in Heartopia Colorful's event. Okay, let's get into it guys. Anytime you do the ocean cleanup hobby, you'll automatically collect seashells from the Wellfall Canyon. And if you want to view your seashells collection, you're going to go to the collection right here. Select the collection menu and scroll all the way to the right. And then you're going to see the ocean cleanup. And here you will be able to view the seashell collection. These are the seashells I have collected so far. Okay, and I still need to unlock. Oh, there are still a lot of seashells that I need to unlock. Yucca star turban, smooth bonnet shell, hard cockle, and these are still locked. So I need to keep doing the ocean cleanup hobby to unlock them all. And then from here, you can also claim seashell furniture recipe. The first one is the seashell display bead curtain, and then this seashell display clock, and the next one seashell display frame, and kitty shell display stand, and so on. So keep doing the ocean cleanup to unlock more furniture recipe. Okay guys, and that's how you can view your seashells collection in Heartopia Colorful's event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.